Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamika, your healthy hair care specialist and personal hair coach. Today, I've got something super exciting for you, a tool that's been changing the hair game for so many, the RevAir Reverse Air Dryer. Whether you're hearing about it for the first time or you've been eyeing it but aren't sure if it's for you, this video is going to break it all down. We're talking about what it is, how it works, its benefits, a few challenges you might face, and of course, solutions to help you get the absolute best results. And stick around because I've got an exclusive way for you to snag your own RevAir by the end of the video. I know many of you have already tried the RevAir, and I've received plenty of feedback, both positive and constructive. One thing I want to emphasize is that using the RevAir does come with a bit of a learning curve. If you don't get your desired results right away, don't worry. Take your time, practice, and you'll see improvement with each use. But before I get started, I want to shout out the winner of the question in my 4-year lock maintenance video. Thanks, Shagib3892, for answering both questions and being the closest to the correct answer. Come on, y'all. Let's give her a round of applause. He had 217 locks in his hair, and it took me 6.5 hours to complete it, start to finish. So let's talk about some of the features of the RevAir while I show you the dryer close up. RevAir's reverse air technology gently draws moisture out, drying your hair 70% faster than traditional methods. RevAir uses less heat, reducing damage and breakage, preserving your natural curl pattern and leaving your hair healthier, shinier, and stronger. It has 7 tension settings and 3 heat levels, so you can customize your settings. Heat level 1, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat level 2, 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And the 0 level has no heat and it's a cool shot. The RevAir wand is designed to pull your hair gently into the device. Its ergonomic shape makes it easy to handle, allowing you to dry your hair section by section without tangling or tugging. RevAir can be used on all hair types, including extensions, braids, locks, and wigs. The wand's open-end design ensures smooth airflow, providing even tension for a smooth finish while keeping your strands safe from excessive heat exposure. The RevAir is lightweight and features a long hose, perfect for drying hair of any length with ease. The convenient on-off button is located on the back of the unit, and the built-in stand provides a handy spot to rest the wand on when it's not in use. The result? Hair that's dried quickly, safely, and without the intense heat damage traditional blow dryers can cause. Plus, it's amazing for stretching and smoothing your hair, making styling so much easier. But let's keep it real. While the RevAir is incredible, it's not without its challenges. A lot of people have shared that they find it tricky to use at first. So let's address a few common challenges people face and how to overcome them for the best results. Challenge: my hair feels hard or crunchy after drying it. Solution: make sure to shampoo and deep condition with moisturizing products. Before using the RevAir, apply a leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. This keeps your hair soft and smooth after drying. And I'll list all the products I'm using below. Challenge: my hair dries, but my roots are still damp. Solution: place the wand's end directly onto the scalp and gently move it back and forth or in small circular motions. This ensures your roots dry completely. Watch closely as I demonstrate how to move the wand across the scalp for the best results. Challenge: the RevAir keeps stopping when I use it. Solution: work with smaller sections of hair. This prevents overloading the wand and ensures smooth operation. Watch as I demonstrate the ideal parting sizes to keep the RevAir running smoothly. Challenge: my hair doesn't get as straight as in other videos. Solution: start with fully wet hair. If a section has dried, spritz it with water before placing it into the wand. Another solution for getting your hair straight and smooth: adjust your heat and tension settings to higher levels for sleek, smooth results, and make sure to leave the wand on long enough to fully dry the section. Challenge: my hair tangles when I remove it from the wand. Solution: try lowering the tension setting for a gentler pull. Here are some additional tips to get the most out of the RevAir experience. Start with clean, wet hair. Detangle your hair thoroughly before drying. Avoid using too much styling product. Use smaller sections to ensure each one dries completely. Keep hair damp when placing it into the wand. Re-wet sections if necessary. Work in sections beginning at the back and moving forward. Don't hesitate to use higher heat and tension settings for smoother results. Leave the wand on your hair long enough. Most sections dry in 60 to 90 seconds, but some may take a bit longer. Take your time and let the RevAir do the work. It's simple to use once you get the hang of it, and it can cut your drying time in half. Finally, yes, it is an investment, but think of it this way. You're saving your hair from damage and cutting down time spent on shampoo day. Plus, it lasts a very long time. Now that you know the good, the not so good, and how to make the most of it, let me just say, the RevAir is a total game changer. If you're ready to transform your hair routine and experience all of these benefits for yourself, you can grab your own RevAir using my link below. All right, beauties, that's all for today. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the RevAir? Are you thinking about getting one? And if you've got any tips or tricks of your own, share them below. I'll be hosting free hair care classes again. Click the link below to sign up to be notified. Check out my very own hair care products to get the softest, healthiest hair ever. Go to lenthystrands.com for more information. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, here's to healthy, happy, and fabulous hair. Take care and God bless. Love you. Bye.